Hello friends, this is Swapnil and this website name is Coinbirds. I'm giving you about this review. Is it legit or scam? So basically, in my personal point of view or personal experience, this website is 100% genuine. But I recommended nobody to use this website because of if you are just wanted to make money online in by investing money. So this website definitely not worth it. Why? Because you see here the if after the whatever you invested here any money, so I just consider you read all of the stuffs, or I can just say in another way, you have the idea about how website works. So basically, we have the birds and we need to buy birds, then they lay eggs, and then later we need to sell that eggs to make real money. Okay, so buying birds, this option is available. See here, this is the here I think yeah, here the buy birds option, and currently here the sales are available, so that's why 20% is off. But basically we need to replenish this account if anybody is a new user, and then we just need to here invest kind of the euros, like 1 euro is equal to 10,000 gold coins, and 10 euro is equal to 100,000 gold coins. Okay, so I not recommended you to buy any gold coins because this is definitely not worth it. Why I'm saying like that, you see here, this is the egg selling section. After you can buying any of the birds, once you buy and they lays the eggs, you see here, this is the here you can sell eggs and get gold that is required for the real money withdraw. The gold got after selling are divided between two of your accounts, gold coins for purchases and gold bars for withdraw in portion. So that is 70% to the gold coins account for purchases and 30% to the gold bars account for withdraw. So basically I giving you directly my birds. You see, this is the my here the calculate income section where I already have the some of the birds. You see these birds I have the 31, that green, the name of this bird is green, and this is the 107 birds available. 27 birds are yellow available, this brown birds available 9, and that blue bird is available in my account 2. So whatever these birds are available, it's my earning section and it's going lifetime of course. And you see here this is the daily 24 hours I earn the 1243 points, and here 533 bars for real money. So how much it is worth, you can see here, this is the withdraw funds. I need to just click here to show you how it's work. So basically I choose the pay year because its minimum withdrawal limit is very low, that is the 457 gold bars. So that 457 worth of this 4 cents in euro. But if you choose the USD or RUB, you can choose that. You see this is the, if I choose the USD, that's remaining the same amount. If I choose the RUB account, so minimum withdrawal limit is changing here the bars. So similar, you just choose the USD or euro, it's just a reflection here the minimum amount of withdraw, that is the bars. And already I got paid by them in last 2 10 2021, and which is its payment of successfully redeemed. Okay, so well, here this is my eggs warehouse where my birds are laying eggs. So you see these blue birds are laying eggs per hourly 1430 per hourly. So currently in my account, already in last 20 days, total eggs are available here. So this is the eggs warehouse where birds are laying eggs. So I just need to click here the collect all. After that, you see, if I collect all, you see this amount, this all eggs are going to that egg selling section. So I just need to click here the egg selling, and well, you see this is the total amount of eggs. Okay, and if I sell here, you see this amount will be fluctuate here. I'm not got all over the eggs for withdraw funds, but whatever it is, you see, if I sell that 41,000, sorry, the amount of that is 4 lakh 18,000 or 41 lakhs 80,000 783 eggs. Once I sell, the amount of withdraw funds is only showing 13,272, which is worth of like I think in euro, you see $1.44. So that's how it's working. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, let me know. Don't forget to check out description box.